Welcome back. Let's continue on part 3 common grades in the Middle Eastern market. Wondering how wood oil is graded in the Middle East? Let's look at the 4 most common market grades. First, royal or high grade, soft complex aroma that lasts 24 to 48 hours, usually distilled from mature wild agarwood trees. Second, mid-grade. Mid-grade wood is a mix of old and young plantation trees. It has a moderate scent and lasts around 12 to 24 hours. Number 3, low grade. Low grade comes from young plantation trees. The aroma is sharper, fades quickly, and may contain more water. Lastly, blended oil, a mix of wood with carrier oils or synthetic components, often sold for entry-level or budget market. Now you know how to identify wood oil grades. Follow and repost Trader Gaharu for more wood tips and insights. See you again in next episodes.